This is a course about general application basics. It's a great place to start learning about the software, and it covers things like navigating through the app and what the buttons on every screen actually do. Throughout the entire application, you'll see the navigation pane on the left-hand side and the display pane on the right. If you want to see information about something on the left, just click on it, and it will show you the details on the right. In the upper left-hand corner on the screen, it shows you where you currently are in the application. In this situation, I'm in the Scorecards Overview, and I'm looking at data for the East Coast plant primary team. If you want to change any of these values, for example, if I want to switch organisations, I'll just click the organisation name, and the organisation selector slides in from the left. Now I can browse the different organisations and look at the different scorecards, and if I see that I want more information on a particular thing, then I can just click it, and the organisation selector slides out and the display pane slides in. Another thing you can change is the subsection. So this is the Overview subsection underneath Scorecards, and I'm going to change it to the Metrics subsection. And it will show me all the metrics for this particular quality objective. And again, clicking on the left-hand side of the navigation pane will filter things out. This is currently showing data from September, but for example, we can switch it back to January 2009. This is particularly good for the overview because you can see this is how it's performing in January, and this is the trend up to January. You can also very quickly aggregate information. For example, by switching to quarterly, right away it shows me what I was doing in Q3 of 2009, and some information on the trend. Another big thing is the section selector. We're on scorecards right now, so let's take a look at dashboards. We can switch to dashboards, and it shows us all the particular dashboards for that particular organisation. Just like before, we can browse around, find what you want for different organisations, click to drill down, and it shows you that particular dashboard. Now I'm switching back to the scorecards section. Something else that you'll see on a lot of the screens in the app are these four buttons here in the upper right hand corner. The first one is a Send To button, and allows you to print things or email things, or send them to Microsoft Office products or PDF. The next is a History button. It shows you an audit trail of everything that's been done to a particular object in the system. The third button is Integrated Help, and the last one allows us to add a task or initiative. And finally there's the Search button. Click on that and you can type in a search phrase. For example, I'm going to search for sales. And it brings up everything that's inside the software that includes sales. So there's a sales dashboard, I've got a sales scorecard, or let's check out the increased paint sales metric, for example. It switches to a new organisation, the animation plays, and so I now know which organisation I'm now in, and it shows me details of that particular metric. Well, those are the basics of how the applications work. We have a lot more of these video tutorials for you to check out, so please do have a look, and thanks very much.